remote control Fanuc 710 robot demo. On the screen, you can see a Fanuc 710 robots. The tooltip following a beauty and the data in the data field. This action in these demonstrations will show on the next computer, which is a client, a server running by a notebook on Windows XP operating system, 32 bits. This is on purpose. 32 bits server. And then later in this computer, Windows 7 64 bits computer will run RPG2, which is the program supports everybody already download from www.cmschiao.com. Technical support area. The file folder name is RPG2 demo. Inside you can see RPG2 and you can run RPG2. You have source code, whatever's. In the last lectures, the direct play server and the client programs already added inside, exactly the same as CMS CAPP. So RPG2 has the same scene definition and have the same visual script definition and the same direct play server and client function like CMS CAPP. These demonstrations on purpose to show the server is 64 bits in Windows 7. The server is running on Windows XP 32 bits. To show one fact is no matter the server client computer belong to the 32 bits or 64 bits or any other versions of Windows, all will do the job as server client remote control. No matter how far away the server client located, no matter it belong to LAN, local area network, or our wide area network, provide use ping. The different terminals IP number can go through 100%, no loss. Then the server and the client can connect it and the remote control can work. Okay, I show CMS CAPP to run the beauty first to show the notebook's job, because the audience cannot see the notebook. Okay, let's close the CMS CAPP program. And the RPG2 program in your hand is like this. A little difference is the client. The little difference from the previous version is the client receive the DXYZ UVW with a minus in front of every coordinates. The reason why? Because RPG2, the robot using right hand rule, while CMS CAPP using left hand rule. That's the reason why I have to change a minus in front of J1 to J6 coordinates. Okay, let's continue to run RPG2 and use Scene input to open a Fanuc 710 new robot on the screen. And use remote control. Open client input server IP. And what is the server IP? Let me see the notebook by using server open or not function to query the IP number. On the screen, I can see server connected, host IP address 192.168.1.111. So I type 192.168.1.111 and pick OK. You can see for the while something react. Client connected, and at the notebook on the screen showing client connected as well. And immediately you can see the pose of the robots difference from previous. This pose reflect the J1 to J6 coordinates. Right now, the J1 to J6 coordinates exactly like the notebook's values, except the different sign in front. The minus becomes plus, the plus becomes minus with a signal changed in front. Okay, let's run the notebook's server and to see the Windows SP 64 bits client to receive the passing data from the server to the client, and will change J1 to J6 continuously, and the pose of the robot will react in real time to reflect the J1 to J6 coordinates as well. Okay, run the server. I show you the running previously. If you can connect a program to connect all the points the robot's running by yourself in the source code of RPG2, you will see at last a beauty joins on the air. Okay, let's let the server running until the server finished the whole data and the robot ceased. Almost at last, the robot will stop soon. Okay. Okay, stopped. The beauty is a water jet. Cutting the beauty, finished. This is the topic of remote control. The server client. You can think the server and the client maybe with the distance 1,000 miles away, but they can remote control in real time. That's the reason why we call it Industry 4.0 revolution. End of today's topic.